Okay, so for this question, it asks you to set up a double integral that gives the area of the surface on a graph. Okay, so um, recall that the surface area equation is going to be uh, integral of base region square root of 1 plus partial of x squared plus partial of y squared dA. But they want your integral to be dy dx. So first thing first, you would have to find your partial of x and partial of y. So your z is that. So partial of x will be negative e to the x, negative x, sine of y. Then partial of y is e to the negative x cosine of y. Alright, now you can plug into the square root right here, 1 plus negative e to the negative x sine of y square plus e to the negative x cosine of y square. Alright, now you should be able to simplify, and then you will have 1 plus e to the 2 x negative 2x multiply for sine square of y plus e to the negative 2x cosine square of y. So you can leave it like this, or you can factor out the e to the negative 2x. So you get 1 plus e to the negative 2x sine square of y plus cosine square of y. And this is the Pythagorean theorem of 1. So you would get the integral, or the square root of 1 plus e to the negative 2x. Now that is your inside of the integral. So let's find your base region. So you were given the base region R. So that is an equation for a circle. So I'm gonna graph the circle of radius of 5. So negative 5, 5. And I want to put y in term of x. So it's gonna be 25 minus x squared and negative 25 minus x squared. Okay, so they want it to be dy dx, so your x integral respect to x is going to be from 5 to negative 5, and your y will be negative square root of 25 minus x squared and square root of 25 minus x squared. And this thing gonna go down here for the inside of the integral, so 1 plus e to the negative 2x dy dx. So now this is your integral. If you were to solve it, I would recommend you to keep it this way. If you were to flip it, you would have to use trig substitution for this specific integral. So if you respect to x or to y, you would have an extra y out here. It'd be so much easier to solve, and you just plug in the calculator afterward for respect to x.